Assembly video for our triple monitor mount with USB ports. Desk clamp configuration. Insert the pole into the base and secure it from the bottom using 3 of the provided bolts and the hex wrench. Attach the clamp L bracket to the underside of the desktop base by using the provided bolts. Then place the non-slip pad on the underside of the clamp. Attaching the clamp screw assembly. Partially attach the 2 bolts to the back of the clamp handle. Depending on the thickness of your desk, there are 2 ways to attach the clamp screw assembly. For desks with a thickness between 0.3 inches and 3.1 inches, attach the clamp screw assembly to the lower mounting slot. For desks with a thickness between 0 and 2.4 inches, use the upper mounting slot. Attach the clamp cover to the rear of the assembled parts as shown. Slide the assembled clamp onto the desk or other mounting surface as far as possible and tighten it until secure using the knobs on the underside. Desk grommet configuration. Remove the tension plate from one of the clamp handles, then slide it and one of the washers onto the provided grommet bolt. Center the mount on the desk's grommet hole and then secure it from the underside of the desk using the grommet bolt assembly and a hex wrench. Assemble the arm connectors. Slide the clamp collar onto the pole at the desired height. Lower the dual arm connector onto the pole, resting it on the first clamp collar, and tighten the set screw using the provided hex wrench. Insert the extension arms into the sockets on the dual arm connector. Then add the next 2 extension arms to the end of the first pair, and then add the gas spring arms. Secure all the arms using the set screws. Insert the plastic covers into the open slots on the top of the arms to conceal mounting joints. Install the second clamp collar and then lower the single arm connector onto the pole, resting it on the second clamp collar, and tighten the set screw. Attaching the VESA plates to the monitor. Install the VESA plate using the appropriately sized mounting for your monitor's VESA pattern. Repeat this step for all 3 monitors. Installing the monitors onto the arms. To attach the monitors onto the end of the arms, slide each monitor into place and secure the connection by installing the security bolt to the top of each VESA plate. To weight balance the 2 gas spring arms, first hold the arm at the middle position. If the monitor arm goes down, turn the nut counterclockwise toward the plus sign for heavier monitors. If the monitor goes up, turn the nut clockwise toward the minus sign for lighter monitors. Adjust the tilt angle. Adjust the tilt angle of the screen by using the Allen wrench on the large nut just behind the monitor. Loosen the nut, adjust the screen to the desired tilt angle, then tighten the nut back down. Cable management. Remove the cable clips from the gas spring arms as shown. Run the cables to the monitors, then replace the cable management clips over the cables. The cables can be run in the underside of the extension arms. Run the cables through the L bracket cover. Run cables down the pole and secure them with the cable management clips. USB ports. The base has a USB 3.0 port and a USB Type-C port. To set up the USB ports, plug the cables on the back of the base directly into your computer's USB ports for device charging and/or data transfer purposes.